He was willing to spot me 500 bucks if I promised to leave immediately. Anyway, I learned what to wear at Goldman Sachs, but more importantly, I learned how to think at Goldman Sachs. I was taught how stocks move, a process that can be very counterintuitive to those of you who just got in this business, or also people who are just watching the disaster that was today.
So guys, Dogecoin has a huge potential to surge to $1. If you agree, then be sure to subscribe. Elon Musk has become one of the world's richest and most successful entrepreneurs with his commitment to reinventing the electric car and to renewable energy. The billionaire Tesla CEO flirtations with cryptocurrency was therefore always problematic. For the Bitcoin industry as a whole is estimated to use the same amount of energy as the annual amount used by a country the size of Malaysia, according to industry observers. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel, Mr. Musk tweeted on Wednesday. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at great cost to the environment, he added. And Musk vowed to start using Bitcoin again as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. Elon Musk's SpaceX will launch the Doge One mission to the moon in the first quarter of 2022, with the company accepting the meme-inspired cryptocurrency as payment. The Doge One mission comes after Musk, the self-proclaimed Doge father, made his debut as host of Saturday Night Live. The price of Dogecoin plunged during his appearance, falling below 50 cents, despite his references to the cryptocurrency. A London-based senior manager at Goldman Sachs has called it quits following a Dogecoin windfall. As is McMahon, a managing director and head of emerging market sales, had resigned after reportedly making millions from his investment, according to The Guardian. The cryptocurrency has risen by more than 1,000% in value this year, and gets celebrity support from people such as Tesla founder Elon Musk. Dogecoin rose above $0.72 against the dollar ahead of Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live. The cryptocurrency dropped more than 30% since Musk's appearance to about $0.50, according to CoinDesk. It is not known exactly how much money McMahon made from the investment. However, sources tell The Guardian it was substantial. The banker did not respond to The Guardian's request for comment. Az's was not involved in trading cryptocurrencies for Goldman Sachs. A Dogecoin-like project with a huge total supply of coins has shot up in value in recent weeks. The growth was helped by listings at several major exchanges. As a result, some early token holders have seen their holdings grow enormously. While Dogecoin got name-dropped on Saturday Night Live last weekend, another dog-themed cryptocurrency is making waves this week. Like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu tokens, SHIB, are themed around the Shiba Inu breed of dog. They are also designed to be fun tokens that come with a woof paper instead of a white paper. They have a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, compared with an unlimited total supply and a circulating supply of 129 billion of Dogecoins. And each token is worth just a fraction of a cent. Since the start of May, Shiba Inu tokens have shot up in value. According to CoinGecko, the tokens have gone from $0.00000015 to their current value of $0.00003, a 1,900% rise. This was helped by recent listings on crypto exchanges OKEx, Huobi, FTX, and Poloniex, and an upcoming listing on crypto exchange Binance. This growth has put some early token holders into the money. One account purchased 200 billion tokens for just $17 in October 2020. Those tokens are now worth $6.5 million on paper, if you multiply by the number of tokens by the price. But with current liquidity, they could actually be cashed out through decentralized exchange Uniswap for $5.9 million. Another big token holder is Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. According to the Shiba Inu token website, 50% of the total supply of tokens was locked in Uniswap to provide liquidity, and the keys supposedly thrown away. The other 50% was given to Buterin, with the intention of them being taken out of circulation and not to be sold. While the Shiba Inu tokens may seem friendly, they are causing havoc on the Ethereum blockchain. According to the block research's Igor Igimberdiv, transactions involving the Shiba Inu tokens are now using up 10% of available gas, the token used to pay for Ethereum fees. According to Etherscan, this has helped raise fees to around $20 for a simple transaction and around $180 for a swap on Uniswap. Shipmania in many ways repeats the events that took place earlier at Binance Smart Chain with meme tokens. However, the characteristic difference here is the potential lack of opportunity for rug pull, he tweeted. Other meme coins have been popping in recent weeks too. Doge killer, Leash, which is part of the Shiba Inu token ecosystem, shot up from $600 to $8,400 this month. A token called Dogelon Mars Alen, which follows Shiba Inu's distribution strategy, rose 640% in the last week, reaching a current market cap of $634 million. It's worth noting that these types of tokens come with higher levels of risk. With no clear use case, these meme tokens may struggle to maintain traction in the long run. And as we saw with Dogecoin over the weekend, what goes up can quickly fall back down. Thanks for watching.
$4 price target. Joining me now with more is Owen Lau. He's the senior analyst at Oppenheimer, responsible for coverage of Coinbase. So maybe, Owen, the best opening salvo to you here is that's a lot of upside. Why?
So first of all, thank you for having me, Dom. Yes, there's lots of upside because we see there's a misconception in the market that the higher the volatility of Bitcoin, that should benefit the trading volume of Coinbase. What that means is the revenue should go up, earnings should go up, and we see substantial earnings upside from here. And the stock also pulled back by quite a bit from around $380 at the direct listing price to right now, I think trading at around $300.
All right, so that I get the market volatility. It's the same reason why we look towards maybe online brokers. We look towards some of the investment banks when markets go volatile because you can make spread, you can make any kind of profits there. The Coinbase story is interesting because they continually say that the institutional investment is going to benefit them, which I understand. It's a much bigger market. But the commissions or spreads that you make from institutional trading are a lot smaller than if I were to go on there on Coinbase and trade Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything else. So what about that margin compression story? The more institutions that get in, the thinner the margins.
Yeah, I hear from you. I hear you about the fee compression, but I also believe this conversation is a little bit overblown. So we don't know the future, but we look at the asset classes in traditional exchanges like CME and ICE. We saw that there was a fee compression or revenue capture compression in these traditional asset classes like energy contract, equities contract. But we also saw with the mass adoption, the trading volume, it's more than offset the fee compression or revenue capture compression. So what that means is net revenue would continue to go up. So that's why I think it's too early to conclude that the fee compression would impact Coinbase model. And if we look at the traditional exchange, I would also argue that the trading volume would even more than offset the fee compression.
All right, Owen Lau from Oppenheimer with the call.